officially the cold season right here in Kenya, and some of you are cuddling. Hey, must be so nice. Well, I'm here with 2 hot drinks that are gonna keep you warm during this cold season. They're already drinks that you organically have in the house, but you know me, being the throwdown queen, I'm about to add that little extra sauce onto it. So let's make those 2 hot drinks. First up, we have hot chocolate, and my usual twist to hot chocolate is ensuring that everything simmers together with an amazing stick of cinnamon. We're gonna go ahead and add our milk into our pot. We're also gonna be adding in our cocoa powder, our cinnamon stick. Also gonna be adding in our sugar. Now that our hot chocolate is ready, we're just gonna go ahead and pour it up in our cup. And just like that, you have 1 cuppa to enjoy. On to our Dawa. We're gonna start things off by crushing our thumb of ginger and 1 clove of garlic. The garlic helps the white blood cells become stronger. So whenever your immune system is low, you definitely want to add some garlic into your Dawa. So we're not going to be crashing it until it's fine. We still can do with the chunks. We're going to head to add in our water. It's about 3 cups. We're going to add our ginger and garlic. And then we're also going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm gonna stir that up, and we just need it to come to a boil. I'm gonna head to sieve the drink. I actually like my Dawa to be very potent of the turmeric because turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the honey as well. And lastly, a squeeze of lemon. Et voila. And you don't even have to worry when you squeeze the lemon. Of course, the color is gonna change because it's an acid. However, it is the perfect balance of lemon, ginger, just a hint of garlic, turmeric, and the honey as well. And this is the right cuppa to have, especially if you're trying to build up your immunity. I hope these recipes were super simple and easy, and you can be able to spruce up your hot chocolate or your Dawa with these simple little tweaks. And again, I'm looking forward to hearing from you what you usually add to either your hot chocolate or is it your Dawa. Leave a comment below. Share this video with somebody who loves hot chocolate and they just need to add a little pizzazz into it, or another person who needs to boost their immunity. This is the perfect kind of cuppa to give them. Until the next episode, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Leave a thumbs up, share this video, and stay eating delicious and especially stay warm.